Hi friends, today I will tell you how to withdraw insurance bonus in Canada. So simply coverage simplified, simple application process with our streamlined questionnaire insurance. You are getting the best rates and fast approval, easy eligibility declined or deferred coverage in the past. Facing health issues, you may still be eligible for coverage, reliable benefits amounts. Ages 18 to 50 can apply for coverage up to 1 10 lakh dollar. Ages 51 to 70 can apply for coverage up to 5 lakh dollar. Ages 71 to 80 can apply for coverage up to 250 lakh dollar. So instant value, most plans have no waiting periods and provide coverage from the day of purchase. Flexible protection, choose from temporary term protection for 10, 20, 30 years of permanent change. Premiums remain fixed for the duration of our policy. No medical exams, never undergo a medical exams in order to qualify for coverage. We have made it really easy. Complete and quick 2-minute quote request. Get a free no obligation quote as well as more claims details from our licensed advisors. Purchase your plans without undergoing medical exams, scheduling appointments, or putting out paperwork. What our clients say. The most important thing what client can think about the company of insurance. Who are we? Why choose us? So who are we? Simplified life protection is part of Specialty Life Insurance, a leading Canadian provider of no medical life insurance solutions. We have helped over 10,000 Canadians get coverage without needing to undergo a medical exam when it come to your insurance. We work with you from beginning to end and make sure that your life insurance is dependable and simple. Our service is to use, so no string attached, help in finding you the right insurance options, even if you are considered risky or hard to insure by other insurance companies. Even if you have been declined life insurance before, we can still help you explore options. Our commitment is to make the process simple for you. Finding more information only takes 2 minutes with our easy to use quote form, and our coverage options are even easier to be approved for. So this is the master plan that how can you withdraw your amount through the insurance in Canada. That life insurance in Canada is insurance very incredible system. No PD for courts, and our expectations that are so high. 12,000 plus satisfied clients, free insurance code, get expert advice, helping Canadians get the best rate on life, travel, and mortgage insurance to protect loved ones and the family assets. We can sell you the cheapest insurance, but we also welcome a conversation to get you the best policy. Free insurance quotes, we provide instant quotes for all the life insurance products in Canada. This is a good place to start, but with so many options available, a conversation with an experienced agent will usually lead to a far better solution for you. Life insurance in Canada best handled with the help of an experienced agent who can help you get the best product at the lowest rates and avoid costly errors. Why risk buying something that does not do what you expect? Team life insurance, whole life insurance, mortgage life insurance, disability insurance, long-term care insurance, guaranteed life annuities. The process is fairly simple. We can shop over 30 terms life insurance rates at once. We are impartial which insurance company who you choose to work with. We have one goal, and that is to find you the best priced term life insured policy. Whole life insurance, get free whole life insurance quotes from multiple life insurance companies. Whole life insurance offers permanent protection, build cash values, and offer tax deferred growth. Complete your our free quote to get several quotes at once. Mortgage life insurance, compare multiple mortgage policies that we can customize a life insurance policy to cover your mortgage in minutes.